Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab hosted by Crafty Crab and Metal Scrap and Chick. Hi ladies. And there are a number of us down in the description box below. So we do have a theme that we follow each month, and this month's theme is love. So I pulled out this 6x6 paper pad. It was not a full pad. I had at least 8 full sheets, and I also had 1 sticker sheet. I have 3 more cut apart sheets in here, and they're cut aparts on both sides, so it's not like one side is pattern paper. And I did also have these bits and pieces, they're called, and I did use quite a few of those and some of the stickers, but alas, I did not finish it. Well, I finished the paper pad except for those 3 cut apart sheets. So I'm going to encourage you to stay tuned to the end of the video. I mean, definitely watch it all the way through, because I have a little surprise at the end. Okay, so I made some 6x6 cards. Now I do not have envelopes for these at this time, and I don't think I will, but anyway, this is the first one. This was a sheet of paper, and I used the Stampin' Up! Heart Duo Punch Pack, which I just love, love, love. These are current in the 2020 to 2021 annual catalog, and they are Heart Punch Duo is what they're called. I don't know if they'll stay current after April, but you know, so if you want them, I would suggest getting them sooner than later. This was one of the cut aparts. Oh, anyway, also I forgot to tell you that this paper that I used to punch these out, I don't know if you can see, it's textured. That is actually this, I've had this in my stash since around April 18 probably. It was before Stampin' Up! This is from Tuesday Morning. It's Project Life what would you call it? Mats, card mats or something. Or Project Life card mats, but it came in like blue or purple, black, like a seafoam green or teal, yellow, a bright pink, and a light pink. And I only used the bright and light pink on, I think, on these cards. That is what I used for these hearts. The lighter pink for the back and the brighter pink on the front. And then this is just a little bow from Offray, which is probably from Walmart, because that's where I used to get them. I haven't bought them in a while. Now I tried to do some things on the inside. So on this one, and this paper on the first few is from trying to use up some of my stash, right? I have this, you can't even see it, Blush Romance paper. I can't get it in the upside down. I can. It's Recollections. It was a hot buy, I don't know when, at least 2 years ago. It's called Blush Romance, and this is the color of the pink. It's what it is varying shades. You can see that on here probably, and I think it was this one, because then you go into like lavender. You've got some creams and light pink. This is the one I used, lavenders. And then you get into more creams and neutrals again. So I've had this for a while, and I'm trying to use up some of this stuff. So that is what the first 4, I think, card bases are on. And then this brighter pink here, that is from, also trying to use this up, the Recollections Pink Buttons cardstock. And I didn't even realize there's several shades. Well, maybe I did. I think it's this one. There's several shades of pink in here. Lighter, bright, and real pale. So it's sort of the middle one. Oops, sorry. So sorry. And then these are both stickers from the sticker pack I showed you from the Love and Adore collection. Now, the Love and Adore collection is from 2016. I probably got it online, possibly peachy cheap, because it's got the stickers, or scrapbook.com, something like that, but I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. So it is like one of the first Valentine things I ever bought. I maybe probably bought it in either late 2016 or early 2017 when I first started paper crafting, probably to make pocket letters for my granddaughters. I don't know how I ended up with 2 of them. Maybe I bought one later and didn't realize I already had it. I don't know. So anyway, that's the first card. This is the second one. The floral paper is from the collection. This is a black mat from those Project Life mats. This was a cut apart from the paper, and this is washi. This one here, no idea where I got it from. I've had it for a long while. And then this is a heart out of this pack. I finished, it had red and pink kind of interspersed, and they're self-adhesive 36-piece from Hobby Lobby. I finished all the pink ones this time. And again, a little bit smaller square because I didn't have a bigger one left in that paper, and another sticker. So I just thought that was cute. Then this one had this sort of a pale teal blue, I guess, with different color flowers. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And this is another Project Life card, another heart punched out. Now this is one of the bits and pieces. This was a cut apart, and this is another washi, which I again am not sure where I got it. I'm gonna say from the feel of it, maybe Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. It's not real super sticky. And I put it around the pink mat here and here, and then here I wrapped it around this cut apart, which says "You will forever be my always," and had a pink heart on it. And that's all I did on that one on the front. And then inside I put washi across the bottom, and then just You and Me from the sticker pack. So that is, oops, that is that one. That's all I did on that one. And then this one, this is the paper. This is a part of a mat, and you'll see later, I just cut the mats have rounded edges, and I didn't want that on this card, so I just cut like a 1/2 inch strip off either side and made it just a rectangle. And then these blue and white doilies were in my stash. Now this heart I cut out of the pink paper from Recollections and the matte stack. I still had room on it for the scallop, but I didn't on the lighter pink. Crazy Love is a sticker. 3 more of those hearts from Paper Studio. And inside, again, the Recollections paper. This is actually Whisper White. I forgot to say that, from Stampin' Up, which the Whisper White is now being replaced with Basic White. Long story. Go listen to my Stampin' Up things if you want to know what happened. Basically blame it on COVID. Anyway, How Sweet Is It to Be Loved by You is a cut apart. And I went around the edges of that with Stampin' Up's Magenta Madness Stampin' Right marker, which is a dye-based marker, just to make it pop off the white a little bit. So I really was trying to use the pieces that I had. I think this might be my favorite. This is a yellow floral. I used the whole wide mat from the Project Life. This was a cut apart strip. I think the back of it has XOs or something on it. This was a cut apart also, like a 1/2 sheet cut apart with a portion of a doily and flowers on it. And then this was a cut apart. I did round the edges on this with this I think it's EK, yeah, EK Success. They come in a pack of 1 1/2 inch. I like the 1 inch better. Excuse me. This is from the Bits and Pieces, as is this heart. And then these stickers are, I think I got them at Walmart. I don't know how long. Oh, well, 10/25/17. So in 17 or 18, probably early 18. I don't know. because they're everyday Sticko stickers. I think they came from Walmart. So I put 3 here and then 2 smaller ones here and here. And then on the inside, and this piece here is bumped up on dimensionals. And the inside I found one little scrap of the floral paper from a previous card, I think, and a piece of Whisper White. Now this is on a blue, and that came out of a pack of paper that I don't know where I got it. I think I might have gotten like a sampler pack from somewhere, but it's not marked from where. It sort of has the texture of basil cardstock. It's a pretty decent card. Anyway, it's this blue, lighter blue color that you're seeing there. It's sort of a gray blue, but it's more blue than gray. So that's what I used for this one, because I felt like it sort of brought out the blue in the background. I don't know, not really, but anyway. But I really like that one. And then I had 2 sheets of this, so the next 2 cards use it. Here's the 2 strips. I cut off that other piece here, and I just put them together. I meant to put washi across the middle of that so you wouldn't see the seam, but I forgot. Laid down another doily. These are from the bits and pieces. The heart is bumped up on dimensionals. I put February 14th from the stickers. I think it actually was 3 stickers, Feb 14, and that's our stickers. This is from the bits and pieces. And then inside, this was another cut apart, and this was from bits and pieces. And I used the letter stickers from the sticker sheet and put happy, and then this was a bits and pieces. So happy love day, and that's that one. I thought that was kind of cool too. And then I have 2 more. Oh, and these 2 are on Stampin' Up's Whisper White 12x12 cardstock cut into 2 6x6. I forgot I had it, and I need to use it up. Anyway. Alright, I had a piece of leftover from some other time pattern paper, but it was like a solid pink. So kind of mirroring what I did here, except that it was all kind of messed up on one end, so I had to cut a little off, and then it was too short. So I brought out this ribbon and put it over it, and I'm almost out of this. I was really trying to use it up, but I didn't quite get there. I'm pretty sure this is Dollar Tree. Yep, it's Dollar Tree. I've had it for a while. Not quite finished with it, but I'm kind of finished with it for this year. Anyway, so I put that down over the paper and wrapped it around, glued it down. This is a cut apart, no, bits and pieces. I think this was a cut apart. The tag was in the bits and pieces, and I backed it on a piece of the Recollections pink card and just cut around it. Used another Offray ribbon after I used some retired Stampin' Up Whisper White twine, solid baker's twine. And I think I forgot to say something on one of the cards. I'll go back. And then one of the, now I can't remember if that one is from Paper Studio or if it's one I had already used up the other ones, and I ended up bringing out Recollections, which are basically the same kind of thing. There might be a tad slightly different, but they've been in my stash for a while. 2016 October it says, so probably since early 2017, because that's when I started paper crafting. And I think that's about it on that one. And then on the inside, this is a piece of the Recollections paper, and this is a sticker out of the sticker pack. It just says love is all you need. So I left it pretty simple on that one. I could have put the ribbon, but it wasn't enough to finish it, so I figured I'd just let it. And these little ribbons, they're so smushed in there. They're little, they're what do you call it? Curling up. Then I have one more on the blue paper, and I had this, I think the other, no, I can't remember what the other side of this is. I think the other side of this actually might be the XOXO. But I had a strip of XOXO, and I can't remember if that was a cut apart or if I had previously cut down a piece of paper some time ago. And then these are from the bits and pieces. This is a cut apart. This little flower's from the bits and pieces. And inside, this is a sticker. These are all bits and pieces. And this is another cut apart, kind of coordinated with this. So it says follow your heart. And then I just clustered these little hearts from the bits and pieces and put the sticker on. So I thought that was kind of nice. So let me see, there was one thing I don't think I mentioned I used. So let me find that. I do think that's my favorite there. I don't know. I'm not usually, well, yeah, I think it is. I'm looking for, oh yes, here. This one, the first one, I used a pink heart, which actually was the last pink one from, I don't remember telling you about that, from this pack of, I think, Dollar Tree also. Yeah, Dollar Tree stickers. It had these red open ones and some pink solid, and I think it previously had pink ones like these, but they were long gone. And let's see, this is from, I don't know, but probably around that same time frame, 2017 or possibly 18. So yeah, I made 8 love cards this month, and I pretty much have smashed this paper pad. So that's the second one, except for 3 sheets of cut aparts I still have. So here's the surprise. I don't really need Valentine cards, at least not this many. So I may hold back like 2, but and probably one will be the yellow one, and I don't know what the other one will be yet. I would like to give these away. I will not have envelopes with them. You'll have to get your own 6x6 envelopes. And I can't give the sticker sheet because it's too big. But I will give what's left of the bits and pieces, the 3 sheets of cut aparts, and I have a partial, more complete than what I had before, of the same paper. It originally had 24 double-sided, so if anyone is interested, please leave a comment down below the video and put please enter me, and I'll give it 1 week. Let's see, it's Sunday when this is airing, on the 17th. Yeah, I'll give it 1 week, and on the 24th I'll do a drawing of those who commented, the random comment picker thing. And as long as you have please enter me, you will be eligible to win 6 of the cards I made, plus the paper pack and the bits and pieces. I'm kind of tired of looking at this paper. I love it, but I have other Valentine paper, but I've been trying to use this up now for, I don't know, 3 years or something. I want to move on from this paper. So yeah, this is the pad. Like I said, the other one, let me count how many are left in here real quick. I think there's quite a few, plus the rest of the bits and pieces. The stickers, yeah, I'll just throw them back in my stash or something. All right, thank you so much, everyone. I apologize for this being so long. Please do go check out Crafty Crab and Metal Scrapping Chick and all the other wonderful creators in this collaboration. And we post on the 3rd Sunday of every month, which in January is the 17th. I don't think we have a set time, but I aim for 7 a.m. Eastern. I'm not always doing giveaways. I just happen to not need this many Valentine cards. Bye for now, everyone. Hugs, love, and peace. Stay safe.